चडशी पणजेची जी पावस पडला तितून झाडां पडात आहा, चडश्यो गाडयोर पडल्या आनी काल एकट्या भुरग्याचेर पडले आनी तेजी डेथ जाल्ली.
First of all, my heart goes out to the family who have lost their loved one. I'm sorry about what has happened. Now I have instructed the commissioner basically with the help of the forest officers just to inspect and make assessment of all the trees around Tanjung. Especially the trees should be, you should see the trees where the smart city basically has done work, you understand, no? So they must have dug up certain things where the roots have been cut or something, just to look at that part of it, where they have done fresh roads and all, new roads and all. So I have told this to the commissioner. Commissioner informed me last night that he is in touch with the forest of, with the RFO. And today they will be doing the inspection of the same.
The Miramar metal footbridge is in bad condition.
See, there is a legal matter going on in the High Court as far as that the thing. So now what has happened? That is same thing what we said. That as far as the stability of the bridge is concerned, we will send a letter. I told the CCB also to send a letter to the PWD to make assessment of the same. And then if it is weak or if there is something then afterwards to send it to the collector basically, through the collector order under disaster management, we will be able to take action. Thank you sir.
आता inspection चालू आहे.
Inspection done. Thank you.